Hi everybody, I'm Michael. Today we're going to be talking about the Apple Blossom Cassia and how you can best grow this beauty in your yard. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow! The Dwarf Apple Blossom Cassia goes by the botanical name Cassia bakeriana. She's native to Thailand and Burma, but well suited to grow down here in South Florida from zones 10B through 11, which are the areas on coastal West Palm Beach all the way down through Broward and Miami. She is not very cold tolerant, so you're going to struggle if you try planting her in zones lower than 10B. The Dwarf Apple Blossom Cassia also is known as the pink shower tree, and she will get to about 25 feet tall by about 25 feet wide. She is similar to the larger cousin, the apple blossom tree, Cassia javanica, but that tree gets much taller. The Dwarf Apple Blossom Cassia is known for these stunning pink and white flowers that form in long racemes all over the tree. The tree is semi-deciduous, so it's going to drop some of those leaves before flowering, but that's what makes this tree so impactful. You don't have any of the leaves blocking these beautiful, beautiful blooms. They are spectacular. This beautiful specimen is growing down at Fruit and Spice Park. You've got to check it out. It's early April now and it's in full bloom. She will hold on to these blooms for a few weeks, depending on weather. If you get a lot of wind and rain, the blooms may get blown off. And she's known to flower from March through May. Another awesome feature about this tree is that when she's blooming, she's going to attract bees and butterflies. This amazingly beautiful tree is great to use for your home garden. Will make a great focal point or an accent to anyone's garden. Now let's rotate over into plant care so you can learn how you can take care of your Dwarf Apple Blossom Cassia. On plant care, you want to install your Dwarf Apple Blossom in full sun. They do best in full sun. They're going to flower the most for you. On soil, you want a well-drained, loamy mix. And on watering, you want to water about 3 times a week, typical of home irrigation. These trees tend to like a little bit more water, but they're also moderately drought tolerant after they're fully established. She's a moderately fast grower, so you're going to have to make sure you prune away any cross branching or dead wood that you can see I'm pointing out here. The Dwarf Apple Blossom Cassia is pretty hardy, so you don't necessarily need to fertilize, but you can use a granular fertilizer from April through September, and you can add in some bone meal. That will help with the blooming a little bit, but you don't necessarily need to. The tree is relatively pest-free, so you're not going to have any maintenance headaches in that regard. Now let's rotate over into written care instructions so you can get a summary of all that I spoke about, and you can take a screenshot if you'd like. And then we'll come back and do a quick summary at the end. I hope you found this information useful, but if you have any thoughts or questions, just leave them in the comments section below and I'll make sure I get back to you. And until the next video, bye. Isn't she a beauty? If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We post weekly. Thanks.